What's up everybody, this is Jay and this is a $1,000 gaming PC build. With this build, games that are coming out this month like Titanfall and upcoming like Watch Dogs will run just fine in Full HD and in max settings. So let's move to the parts. The processor will be an Intel Core i5 4670K. This is a quad-core processor with 3.4 GHz. This processor also supports overclock and it costs $240. To help maintain a good temperature of the CPU, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo is a great choice that costs only $36. The motherboard will be an ASUS Gryphon Z87. This motherboard comes with 4 slots of memory and supports up to 32 gigs of RAM. SLI is possible with this board that costs $165. The memory will be a G.Skill RipjawsX 1866 with 8 gigs of RAM divided in 2 models of 4. This is a great choice of RAM for this build. The cost of this one is $76. For the hard drive, the Western Digital Caviar Blue with 1 TB of space will be a great choice for storing your games. The cost of this one is $60. For the video card, I choose the GTX 770 from EVGA. This card comes with 2 gigs of RAM and a 256-bit of memory interface. This model is the superclocked edition with the ASUS cooling solution made by EVGA themselves, which make this version a little bit better when we talk about temperature levels compared to the traditional model from them. The cost of this one is $366. The power supply will be a Corsair CX 600M with 600 watts of power. A great power supply with the 80+ bronze certification and a semi-modular cable system. The cost of this one is $60. The case will be an NZXT Source 220, a great case for a good price of $56. All the links for you to buy the parts will be in the description below. Note that the prices may change with time. I've made other videos showing other builds that you can do with more or less money than this one. You can check them out clicking in the annotation on the screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and until the next video.